Of.
Actually, this topic was given. Thank you for Chitra ma'am for giving me the story long back, but
Yeah.
prepared a bit late and got the link also late. So,
Doesn't
yeah,
matter. We are
yeah,
here. We have full energy to
yeah,
hear you.
yeah. No, it's pretty late. I know you must be very tired since morning.
Yeah.
It's my topic giving to me was it's concentrate only on your clinical strength.
Yes.
Uh, so when we talk about this topic, what is clinical strength? Typical strength include a good communication skill everywhere. Second is ascertaining the others' need, what others want from us. We have to have good patience in listening and in delivering. We have to be dependable every time. Their accountability also matters. We have to be very flexible. We have to pay attention to each and every detail in our day-to-day life. And we are not the least. It should be a very problem-solving person. So where good communication skill needs, like we need when we are writing or when we are communicating verbally with the patients or the relative, we need to communicate with the patients, with our nurses, with other healthcare staff, so that they can deliver well. We have to explain when we are explaining either diagnosis or convincing patients and the relative for test, and going when we are getting the results, dealing with them, and that when we are talking about the treatment plan, we have to be very perfect in our communication skill, and we have to communicate effectively not only with the patients and our job. We have to be very much good skill with the family too. When we are dealing with the patients, we have to be with the relative. We have to very empathy to manage the psychological and physical issues, because the patient and the relative are in a very stressful conditions, and we should have the ability to understand and share feeling of patients and their family. We have to put ourselves at that point, and then we can deal with it. Flexible means flexibility means we have to be flexible everywhere. Sometimes when we are doing work, the work hour is not fixed. It's 4 hours, it's 6 hours, maybe 12 or 24 hours in our doctor job. In emergencies, we have to look after whatever the chances we get to flexible, and dealing with the family matters, like convincing wife and children that I'm busy, I can come with you in a few moments of time. That is more important. Then we have to deal with attention to details. We have to be accurate and updated information always. Endurance. We have to have the good endurance to work for hours with a positive attitude is more important. Not like we are working, this is my time slot, I have to work, I have to run away. But my attitude has to be always positive for the patients, for the best of my patient and their relative. We have to be good at problem solving. We have to diffuse a state, since the condition is very diffuse, sometimes it's very stressful for us, for our patients. So we have to be very confident and updated when dealing with our patients and the relative. Dependability. With our past and good experience, bad experience, whatever we had in the past, every person learns, and we have to put in our daily day-to-day uh, routine practice. Accountability is another thing. It can be throughout all aspects, such as ensuring and providing safe and quality care in our hospital or in the institute where we are working to, or training our staff, or when we are organizing some delegations, or when we are practicing with guidelines. We have to be a good guidelines, we have to have good ethics, and we have to maintain our confidentiality also. Then how to improve clinical strength? When we are dealing with clinical strength, we have to be good in our technology, updated technology. We have to be we have to be keep ourselves updated with the changing technologies, with the changing equipments, or equipments which are coming with upgraded models. Or we have to follow the best guidelines of upgraded guidelines which are coming in day-to-day life. We have to have a mentor. We have to have a mentor means he can be a teacher, he can be a past teacher, he can be a good friend of mine, a senior who has have been dealing with all those problems in day-to-day life.
iOS 42,179
And that
Oh,
senior staff member can give us some guidelines, so he can act as a mentor in my day-to-day life. Then we have to be prepared for continual changing trend, unexpected situations. So keep learning with the latest technology, procedure, and treatment protocols. So thank you, and keep learning. Be strong, have patience, motivate others, and be updated. That's will give you a success in day-to-day life. So that's the skill improvement. That's Thank you, ma'am, and thank you all ARC and
yes.